Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Mercedes A250 and in this car today I will show you where is the auxiliary battery location. Okay, this is the If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. I remove everything full system. Okay, here, and this is the airbag module inside, you can see here. So I remove full things. You need to remove full center console, and here you can see auxiliary battery, this one, see.